Hello guys, today we'll talk about Realme X3 SuperZoom Smartphone. Basically, we'll discuss about 5 different aspects of the smartphone in this video. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So first we'll talk about the display type. Here in this image we can see that replying to Sudhanshu, a reliable leakster, a guy asked about the display type where he mentions that the display type should be AMOLED. And now talking about the processor, again here we can see Sudhanshu makes clear that the chipset used in the smartphone will be Snapdragon 855 Plus and the smartphone will be priced at mid-upper segment. And now talking about the battery capacity and charging capability. So in this tweet from Sudhanshu, again it is clearly mentioned that the smartphone will have battery capacity of 4200 mAh and 30 watt of fast charging. And now talking about the camera capabilities. So exact camera configuration has not been leaked yet, but according to the recent leaks, this smartphone will have a 60x zoom and it will come with a stereo mode that will help you to capture the Milky Way shots. This may be something like the Google astrophotography mode which we saw with the Google Pixel lineup. So now finally talking about the pricing of the smartphone. According to the recent leaks, it is expected that the smartphone will be priced above 20k, but exact pricing has not been revealed yet. So this is all the information we have currently for this video. So if any new news further pops up in the internet, then we will obviously keep you updated through a video or community post. So stay subscribed to our channel so that you won't miss out any of those updates. So this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.